Hi folks, Dave Waring here again with FitSmallBusiness.com. In today's video we discuss when a company has to collect sales taxes for online and offline sales and how to collect and remit sales taxes. So let's get started. Sales taxes are regulated on a state and local level and applied to retail sales to end consumers. While many cities do not have a sales tax, all but 5 states do have a sales tax. Because they are regulated on the state and local level, the scope of products taxed and the exact tax rate will vary depending on your state, city, or county in which the sale occurs. You can view a list of state sales tax levels and see sales tax rates for major U.S. cities in our full article linked to in the description section of this video. When does a company have to charge a sales tax? Generally, you only have to tax sales in locations where you have a physical presence. To find out if your city has a sales tax, and if so, where to file, search Google using the following format: My City plus sales tax and My City plus filing sales taxes. If you have a physical presence in other states, such as retail locations, warehouses, and traveling salesmen, you may also need to pay sales taxes there. How do you define a physical location for sales tax purposes? Establishing a physical presence in another state is known as creating a nexus, and it requires you to register with those states' sales tax commissions as well. Unfortunately, each state has their own definition of what a physical presence entails and what goods and services are taxable, so if you have any sort of physical presence in a state, including attending trade shows, then you can check the link included in the description section for an overview of sales tax requirements for all 50 states. How do sales taxes on internet sales work? In general, you do not have to pay sales tax for online sales to states in which you have no physical presence of people or property. You do have to collect sales taxes on online sales to your home state and all states in which you have a physical presence. There is a big piece of legislation called the Marketplace Fairness Act of 2013 currently pending in Congress, which would require large online retailers to pay sales taxes. This would only affect businesses with more than $1 million in annual sales. Sellers with $1 million or less in annual sales would be exempt from this requirement, but would still have to pay sales taxes in states where they have a physical presence. For a guide to the Internet sales tax regulations for your state, visit the 50-state Internet sales tax guide included in our full article, which you can find in the description section. Sales taxes on vendor sales. Generally, sales tax only applies to transactions with end consumers. This means that items purchased by other vendors for resale are usually exempt. If a vendor asks for a sales tax exemption, make sure they provide you with a resale certificate or a valid reseller's permit that validates this exemption for your records. Here is a list of other common exemptions. How to collect sales tax. In order to collect sales tax, you must first obtain a sales tax permit by registering with your state Department of Revenue. You should be able to register online with most states and can find a full list of state websites in our full article included in the description section. Most modern cash registers and online shopping carts will allow you to program the sales tax rate for your state and automatically itemize it on the receipt. Of course, it is also always possible to manually calculate the sales tax for each sale as well. How to pay sales taxes. Most states now allow you to pay sales taxes online, which is very convenient. Also, be sure to note the payment dates, which vary from state to state. You can find detailed information on how, when, and where to file your sales taxes in our full article, which is included in the description section below this video. That's our video for today. For more great advice on how to start and run a successful business, be sure to visit us at FitSmallBusiness.com today. Thanks for watching.